here for another video. Today let's have a look at a new iPad stand that will now be part of my iPad setup. This is Benks Infinity iPad stand, and I'm using this with my 11-inch iPad Pro. But Benks also has another version of this stand for the 12.9 iPad Pro. Benks sent this over for me to test and also do a review on it and share my thoughts with all of you. This comes in this white and very simple packaging. Although the name is written like this on the box, Benks confirmed to me that the official name is iPad Infinity stand. This is a magnetic and foldable stand as written on the box, and we see here that the stand is folded inside the box. And at first, I thought I could easily unfold it, but no. I had to put it down on the table, and I had to put more force to unfold it. So, aside from being a foldable iPad, this also can be rotated in portrait and landscape mode, which we'll see more later in the video. The iPad attaches to the stand via the magnets on this panel. As we see here on the sticker, the area below the camera will be the part attached to the magnetic panel. So let's take this off as suggested on the warning message that it will hold better the iPad with this sticker taken off. My iPad Pro can be easily attached by just bringing it close to the magnetic panel. I suggest though that before placing the iPad on the stand, give it a bit of an angle and not totally straight just to be sure it will not tilt backwards. Holding the iPad at the top part with one hand to attach it to the stand is okay, but for me it's just a bit awkward. So I usually use two hands and I guide the bottom of the iPad so I can attach it correctly on the magnetic panel. This is how the back side looks like, and I have here again the 11-inch iPad Pro, and it's the 2020 model. Detaching the iPad from the stand is better by holding the top part with one hand, and then my other hand will be on the base of the stand. The base of the stand has good padding, so I'm sure this won't scratch my desk. What I like about this stand is it will bring the iPad screen closer to my eyes and make the experience better whenever I use my iPad. It is also better for my posture and my back. Another thing I like about this stand is one of its main features where it can be rotated and I can switch from landscape to portrait mode. Not that easily though, as the hinges are really tight. I also need to keep in mind to rotate the stand by holding on the sides of the iPad and not rotate it from the top because the iPad will fall off. It will take quite an effort to do the rotation and also to adjust the angle of the stand. I think to be safe, it's better if I take the iPad out from the stand first before I rotate or adjust it. When the iPad is detached from the stand, I can also adjust it to the lowest possible angle where I can do some writing. In this position, putting force on the iPad will not make the stand tilt and fall backwards. There are other positions or angles where I can still use the Apple Pencil. One is like this, that when I'm standing up and tilting the viewing angle this way, I can do some writing. Or even on the normal viewing angle, as long as it's not at 90 degrees, or if I hold the bottom of the stand to support it, I can still use the Apple Pencil and do some writing. This is a foldable stand, so if you have some work that you will need to go out and use your iPad with a stand, you can fold it, put it in your bag, and take it out with you. This stand is made of aluminum, so overall it's solid and has a nice high quality feel. The hinges are sturdy, though sometimes it's too sturdy for me, so I hope it's a bit more loose, but I guess that's better than a wobbling stand. This is currently on sale in Benks website, priced at $80, and you can get 15% discount if you use my code MINDYC at checkout. So thanks again to Benks for sending this over, and that's it. Thanks for watching.